Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see the MATLAB implementation of a PV and wind energy based EV charging station. This simulation model is developed using a hybrid renewable energy system that combines a solar PV source, a wind energy conversion system, and EV battery charging through a common DC bus. In this model, the wind energy system consists of a wind turbine, permanent magnet generator, rectifier, and boost converter. The wind side boost converter is controlled using the P&O MPPT algorithm. This controller uses rectifier voltage and rectifier current as inputs, calculates power variation, and continuously adjusts the duty cycle to extract maximum power from the wind turbine. The PV system is also connected to the same DC bus through a boost converter. Here, fuzzy logic based MPPT is used for maximum power extraction. The controller takes PV voltage and current, computes change in power and change in voltage, and generates the required duty cycle for the converter. The EV battery is directly connected to the DC bus, so the combined power from PV and wind is used for charging. This model supports the EV battery swapping concept. When a discharged battery arrives at the station, it can be connected for charging, while a fully charged battery can be supplied to the vehicle. For testing, the solar irradiation is varied every 3 seconds from 1000 to 500, then 10, then again 500 and 1000 to M2. The wind speed is changed from 12 ms to 10.8 ms after 1 second. From the results, we can observe PV power, wind power, battery charging current, charging power, and battery SOC. This model can be extended to charge multiple EV batteries by increasing PV and wind capacity. Thanks for watching.